What is going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Please do the housekeeping and hit the like button. Make yourself known in any chat that you are in. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday night. Happy Sunday pump. When was the last time you saw the markets moving like this on a Sunday? This has been probably the most bullish trading Sunday I've seen in months, in many, many months. So this is just, this is bullish, guys. Super bullish. So you can see here, we have a clear outlier in the memes, in the meme coins, guys. We got Pepe. So we've been, if you've been following the channel, we've been talking about Pepe for the past week. We've been talking about Pepe for actually the past couple weeks. And we finally got into a mega Pepe trade. We also got into a SHIB trade. We also got into a Doge trade. I mean, we're kind of positioned in some of the top meme coins in the entire world. So I've never felt so better positioned in the market. And honestly, guys, I'll tell you what, it's taken this long. It's not easy. Like some people say, like, oh, it's easy. It's stupid easy to make money in crypto. And it's like, yes and no. Like the people that say that, they've been in the cycles for like at least 3+ years. They've been through a couple bear markets. They've lost money. They've made money. You know, there's a big differences between the people that have actually seen some shit and then the people who haven't. So this is a very interesting market right now. I know you guys are noticing the same thing. It's a very, very interesting market. Like for instance, like we're having this bullish inflow, money flow on BTC. The money flow was hard right here. I think we're gonna have a spike in money flow. It's better to look at that money flow on the daily. And you can see we're skirting back up into back into 64K. We already went past 64K. We wicked up to 64.4. I think that was about the high on this candle. 64.3 actually was on the high on this candle right here. 64.3. So we're trying to retest that again. So we're looking good. We're looking good right now. We're looking bullish. Shout out to everyone who is in the live stream, whoever pops in the live stream. Cheers to you guys. We're actually celebrating the one of our accounts going over $5,000. And why that's such a milestone for this particular account is because we started with only $50 originally, and you know, we've deposited a little bit in there, you know, maybe total $150 of trading investment, but really it initially started with a $25 Ethereum trade and then a $25 BTC trade. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, what's going on, Rallin TV? Yeah, it was basically a challenge that I wanted to give myself, that I wanted to see what I could do and see if I could turn $100 into 1,000. I was like, I want to turn $100 into 1,000 and really test myself and see if I can do it through trading. Yes. Vicious Teletubby, the best YouTube handle. I love Vicious Teletubby. What's going on? Hope everyone is doing well. I haven't seen how many people are popped in. Oh, we got 6 people. I was curious how many people were gonna pop in, because I know sometimes on a Sunday night people are kind of winding down, but I was just feeling bullish. I was feeling super bullish, and I wanted to go into some of the analogies and things and lessons and some wisdom and knowledge I can give you my place for the bull run, Rallin TV. Yeah, so I have a couple plays for the bull run. So basically, what I've done is I'm trying to trade the trend. So I knew that obviously the meme coins are doing well. So even if these are old meme coins like Doge and SHIB, you have to look at the big, like Doge. No matter what, it doesn't matter how popular other meme coins get, Doge will always be like in the crypto narrative. It's like I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's like Doge has kind of solidified itself as the prime dog meme coin. If you really think about it, it's like you can't beat it. So you just have to join it. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of hedging with Pepe. I think Pepe is going to get listed on Coinbase soon. I mean, they have been posting like crazy. We're in a Pepe trade, so we finally caught Pepe right in, yeah, I mean, it's the father of all meme coins. I mean, it really is like the original like joke coin that was intended to initially be just a joke. It was just supposed to be a joke, and now it could be the biggest joke and ironic outplay and outcome for a currency being used on X.com for X payments. All right, so Nikki 94 Boo say, what is your strategy for the, never mind, you're telling us. Nice. Yeah, so my strategy is I'm trading the trend. I'm trying to acquire more BTC and Ethereum through trading those with the actual asset. But then I'm also in, other trades. Like for instance, like this one is like gaining me over $2,000 in BTC. So then I can do what I will with that BTC. I can trade back in. I can, if the market starts getting volatile, I can use BTC to short, and I can send it and do whatever I want with it. So, but I'm also, when I'm taking profits, when I'm aggressively taking profits, which I've been doing a lot recently, is I've been putting that into my DCA bags. So my DCA bags are coins like, if I go into real quick, let's, what's going on the go crypto? What's going on, brother? Yeah, your Myro coin is doing well. It had a little bit of a dump, but then I think it's picking up with all the other meme coins. Like, that's kind of that's probably the easiest trend you can follow is like, because each coin follows each coin. Like each coin in the narrative will kind of follow suit. Like once you see Cardano starts going up, then kind of you see Polkadot, and then once you see Litecoin going up, it's like Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash and all these things go up kind of at the same time. And so Ethereum goes up and pumps, you have all the layer 2s going up. So, the meme coins go up. You have all the different meme coins happening. So, yeah, what were we doing? We were looking at the bag. That's what we were doing. Yeah, so we got to go to CoinMarketCap. So I hope everyone is doing well wherever you are, whoever you are, wherever you're watching. I hope you guys like the new setup. I hope you like the background. You're in the helm. You're getting plugged into the matrix. You are you're breaking out of the matrix. In order to do that, you have to be in crypto. In order to break out of the money matrix, you have to be in crypto. So that's what we really wanted to emphasize on this stream tonight, guys, is that you have to completely break free. And it's not just like, oh, I'm using the matrix as just, because people can say the matrix as an off the cuff term and not really get into yeah, very Back to the Future. But I've always been a huge fan of the Matrix. I think when I saw the Matrix, it really like cracks your mind open. It really makes you think. And ultimately, it really is a tell into our future as a human race, coinciding with technology, with AI. And I mean, look what's happening. Look what's happening with AI. Look at technology. Look where we're going, and it's crazy, guys. I mean, it's pretty wild where we're headed. You know, we're headed to where we're going to have the symbiotic relationship with robots, and robots are actually going to have their own ecosystem. They might even, your fridge might even own Bitcoin and start saving its own, trying to save for its future for the next mini fridge. Sorry. It's a terrible, terrible joke. But seriously, your Samsung fridge might start talking and say, Jonathan, I don't want to be with you anymore in this kitchen. I want to be supported in another household. That's where we are headed, guys. That is where we are headed. All right, so let's get into the portfolio. So, whoa. Okay, guys, so check this out. So this is the thing. So this is a portfolio that we made where it started with $3,000. So $3,000 portfolio. And I think we did this, it might have been 2 weeks ago. Was it 2 weeks ago? February 6th. Yes. Oh, no, it was about, no, I guess it was about a month ago. Wow, okay. All right, so yeah, so basically this portfolio has went up over 100%. So, and that's due to Pepe. Pepe went hard. Kronos. We have Nakamoto Games. XYO also pumped really well. Phantom. Chainlink. Polygon. Matic. We got Near. So Near, and this, if we look at the 24-hour, the best performers have been Dogecoin, Stacks, Orca, Solana. We have Thorchain. A lot of these on the past seven days have been doing really well. Obviously, we've had a little bit of retracements. Stargate Finance, Optimism, Chainlink. Chainlink now is under $21. Pretty much, yeah. You start bossing Alexa around, like Alexa's gonna be like, come here, come closer, let me tell you a joke. All right, we got Medieval Empires. We got XYO. So we're DCAing. XYO, guys. You gotta keep your eye on XYO, Nakamoto Games, Dogecoin, Pepe. I mean, these are just like obvious ones. Thorchain's great for just like a lot of that cross chain kind of bridging. They have their own chain. You can swap Bitcoin into Dogecoin if you wanted to using Thorchain on Trust Wallet. So you have options. So say you're like up in Bitcoin, like, man, you're like, I'm massive up in Bitcoin, and you're thinking, I want to hedge a little bit, and Dogecoin at points, if you were to have DCA'd into Dogecoin at points where it was at its lowest lows before it went to its all-time highs, instead of DCAing into Bitcoin, there are people that's why Robinhood crashed. That's why Robinhood crashed, and they couldn't even keep up with it because people made so much money because they had so much Doge, some people. And oh yeah, Floki's been going crazy as well. So because obviously that's a dog coin, so you have to follow the dog coins. And shout out to everyone being active in the chat. I love when everyone is active in the chat. I can see these messages. They pop up on the screen. You get highlighted. Everyone gets a shout out. No one is immune to getting a shout out. And yeah, so looking at the trades, we want to look at the trades, and I want to tell you guys why I got into SHIB. There's a reason I got into SHIB. For one, SHIB is just an obvious buy still. It's another coin besides Doge that normie people that don't know about or don't really do crypto, they just kind of buy some a little bit on the side, and maybe they bought a little Bitcoin, Ethereum, they bought a little Doge, you know, they have a Robinhood account. See, the thing is those people bought here. Those people bought SHIB when it was like in New York Times Square billboards, and it was like saying that we're the Doge killer. It went up into those levels. So what I saw was a trend that Pepe looked exactly the same with a launch like this with the candle, and it tested those all-time highs. We just broke all-time highs with Pepe, and the charts were looking really similar. So all of these meme coin charts were looking really similar. So I was like, okay, if Pepe can break its all-time, look at this. Pepe is just like absolutely crushing it. You know, I was thinking I should, that's why I even titled the live stream the way that I titled it, because I'm not even bullish enough. I could be making way more money. I could be making so much more money because I could have gotten in right here. I mean, you see where I took profits, and we could have just been more bullish. I mean, look at this candle. Look at this candle. Just absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. So, you know, I mean, we're going to be basically thousands of dollars in profit here soon with Pepe, just like we are with BTC. I mean, BTC, you know, we've realized over thousands at this point, and it's looking really good. But yeah, so what I wanted to get into, why SHIB was getting oversold, and also the token is being burned. The token's being burned with SHIB. So with SHIB, you have this potential of getting another leg up on these candles. And now we get into Bone. So Bone is the SHIBarium Shiba Swap ecosystem token. And so we have 3 different tests of tops here. We got one at $2.40. We got one at $2 here. And then we have one at $1.81. And these were just like retests to the bottom here. But if you look at the RSI and you look at the MACD, we're looking really good. We're looking really, really good. This is why I'm in this trade, because I have enough confirmation that Bone will at least be trying to test up back above $1, especially with SHIBarium, because I feel like the SHIBarium ecosystem is just going to have some good volume. People are going to use that SHIB, might take some SHIB profits, and go into Bone. So it's just something to look out for. Something to look out for. Let me know, guys. What are you trading? What are you trading? How's Bitcoin doing? Let's look at Bitcoin. So I think we're gonna have a super bullish week ahead. I mean, basically, this is like people front running the market. They're like, look, we know that this week is going to be really, really bullish because we're already like, it's kind of like how we just climbed up here. We just started climbing, and this started happening overnight. I mean, this basically happened overnight. We just started crushing levels. We started staircasing up, and then we have just traded a little bit sideways, only just for the past like 2 days, and then now we're legging up again. And it's going to be an easy test of this band, 64,800, and we got money flow. Looks like the money flow is coming in. Daily money flow coming in. Oh, man. But the thing that I wanted to get into, guys, is, you know, I was talking to a good friend of mine, and we were just chatting, and I asked him, well, I was telling him, I was like, man, the markets are doing really well. And I didn't tell him what market I was talking about, but I was, you know, cryptically saying the crypto market, no pun intended. And he, you know, he revealed to me that he doesn't have any crypto at all, and he just has like dividend yielding stocks, maybe some bonds. And so I asked him, I said, well, what's the returns? Like, what's the returns on it? You know, like, I mean, you've had it for like what, how long, and what's the returns? And he said, 3.5%. You know, he's had for like 3 years probably where he's been saving. I don't know how much. I didn't ask how much he had, but I thought, damn, it's just a whole completely different world and numbers that you can wrap your head around in crypto when it comes to yield, when it comes to the possibilities of what you can make when you think about the dollar, the wealth, like how you have to price the dollar now and your purchasing power. So you have to have something like crypto to be able to go into something that is going to basically go up 1,000% or more, because the dollar over the next couple years is going to be inflated to infinity. They'll just print as much money as they possibly can. They'll never stop printing money, and it's going to go to the floor. So it's going to go down as value, and then all the price of goods and services is going to go up. So it's just going to be this like cascading effect that we're going to a digital age anyway. And the one thing that he said that made me think like, man, we're still so early, because like this person's smart. I trust this person. They're good with their money, but they think crypto's a scam. They're like, crypto's a scam. And it's like, they don't trust it, and that's the reason why they don't want to invest in it. And I think to myself, our financial system is the biggest scam in the entire world. It's the biggest scam in the entire world, the way that our money is printed and how it's not backed by anything. It's only given value and force with the power of the U.S. military and just the people that give it, that we say like, look, this is the value, and then the Fed sets it with the interest rates and all that crap. So it's just like, if we gave bottle caps like in Fallout value, it'd be no different than what they're doing with printing the money. If we just transacted in bottle caps, it honestly would be no different than the paper money. But at least with crypto and Bitcoin, it's backed by a network. It's backed by participation. It's backed by code, limited supply, like strong network, all that stuff, like super bullish stuff. Like, we're in a digital age, so we have to think like that. We can't think and get manipulated and think, oh, it's a scam. Oh, it's volatile. Oh, it crashed 20, 30%, blah, 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 blah. Like, it's all the things that are going to scare you into not taking the leap into financial freedom. You have to break out of that matrix, you have to. That's the only way that you're going to really understand crypto. That's why I fell in love with crypto, and why I started even wanting to get into crypto, make a channel, start investing, because it makes you feel empowered about money. It makes you feel like you finally have, like, you can make the choice to transact in the way that you want to. You can actually increase your money. You're not getting eaten up by inflation or interest rates and all of that bullshit. It's so just, it's crazy. But that's why crypto's here, guys. That is why crypto's here. Put a thumbs up in the chat if you agree with me on the rant. Appreciate you guys. And smash up the like. Smash up the like for the Sunday live stream. All right, so the thing that I want to point out is we have a lot of coins that are off of their all-time highs by 400% or more. Like, the base average percentage of the coins that have been off of their all-time highs in the top 1,000 coins, some of them, like for instance, like Jasmine coin, was up up as high as $4.79, which is wild. And then we have, if we go down the list, because these are like, we got Star Atlas, high as 27 cents. What else can we compare? Curve Dow, 2,000%. I mean, like there's so like great coin. Look, Bone, 1,700%. I mean, this is why I want to be in trades like this. I want to make generational financial freedom wealth with digital internet money. This is why we're here, guys. We want to see stuff like this. We want to see 1,757% moves. We want to see Bone going to $15, guys. That's what we want to see. So this is why we're in a Bone trade. So let's just do some moon math and say Bone goes to $15. I mean, that's a clean $16,000 in profit. You know, you have to work a lot in a full-time 9-to-5 job to get $16,300. That's a lot of dough for just being able to catch a trend and just know where to be well positioned. And that website, by the way, is called coingolive.com. So I haven't I haven't went through any of the actual other tabs besides the all-time high tab, but it tracks cryptocurrencies. Like it does the daily price charts. It's got the volume. It's got everything like what a coin aggregator website would have, but I really like that it does the all-time high. Looks like you can do a calculate price. Let's see. Price change history. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, so what's so crazy is Bitcoin in the year is up 185%. So even if you just DCA'd into Bitcoin, you'd be up 185%. Like if you treated Bitcoin and said, "Hey, I have 20K in my savings and I'm going to hedge against my own savings account and put 10K into Bitcoin, DCA into Bitcoin." Maybe DCA. I mean, if you if you did it just a year ago, then you would be up exactly 185% on that exact buy. But obviously, look, if you DCA'd through the year, then you would be like, okay, you'd be up 22%. Then if you bought here, you'd be up 47%. Then through the year, your average buy-in would be probably at about 100%. Given, if you were consistently buying through the year. So that's the key. It doesn't really, if you're buying bullish assets that have been going up this much, like through the year 193%, and we've been in this bull market uptrend, then DCAing into any of these coins, you'd be up substantially. So it does make a difference. It does make a big difference. and that is a overall winning strategy. The thing I think that is the hardest thing to do in crypto is to keep your coins, whether it be long term to get more gains and to not sell them, to either have to do something like a financial purchase, whether it be like you got house repairs, you got emergency things, whatever it may be. I know that's probably one of the biggest things that people probably don't talk about when it comes to investment in crypto, because it's different with stocks. It's like you get more penalties with like selling stocks. It's a little harder. Maybe you're using different platforms and it's harder to get the cash out. Like crypto is a little bit more liquid. If you really know how to use crypto, like you can get in and out real quick. And if you need the cash, you can get it out. And I think that can be a blessing and a curse. It can be a positive and a negative, because that's why I think a lot of people love the staking, because you're especially locked up staking, because it locks it up 30 days, maybe even longer, 60 days, and then you just don't touch it. You set it, forget it, and then you just earn the rewards. And then if the coin's going up as well, then there you go. But the thing that you have to realize too is that you can have kind of impermanent loss with it coin going up. You also are staking it, and then you're earning the coin, but then you're not able to sell it and take profit when the thing's pumping. So it's you kind of have to figure out what you want to do. But, all right, guys, it's getting a little late. We had a couple people pop in here. Just a reminder, you guys have to, if you're a part of the Discord, you have to go into the Discord and you have to verify yourself. You have to go into the verification section, and then you'll be able to send messages and become a dojo member. All right, so we've been trying to DCA into the Pulse chain ecosystem so we can earn some yield. And these charts have just been looking super bullish, so we couldn't help ourselves. But let's see if we need to be taking some profits right now, because the market is looking pretty saucy. Because Pepe just hit another super leg up. As you can see here, we've been really taking the profits. Yeah, realized profits on Pepe so far, 307. We're really getting up in the spot balance too. The spot balance, we have a couple of fun meme plays in the spot balance. Let's check them out. Yeah, baby Trump, Vault, MAGA, Pigcoin. But we like Voltinu. We definitely like Voltinu. All right, so let's see. Overall balance. It's so wild, guys. It's crazy because, like, the past 7 days, I have realized profits about as much as close to what I make in 2 weeks in a paycheck. Very close. And I will say, my background is super bullish. I like it. So Doge is only going higher, by the way. Everyone keeps saying, oh, it's not Doge isn't going to $1. I'm like, Doge can go to $1 just pure hype alone. But this is the milestone of the account. All right, so where is it? Where did it go? Oh, yeah. It's been the vibe. Make sure you guys smash up the like button. We only got 3 likes. We can get a couple more. Make sure you go to danocurtisuse.com. Check out the ordinal eyes. This is the DXY. This is the dollar. Look at the dollar strength after the halving. Psh. Next one's coming up in like 45 days. 45 days. Whoa. Like NAKA like wicked. It was a nasty little wick from 250 to $1.90. What happened there? Yeah, what $2.57, and it wicked all the way to $1.98 right here, and then went straight back up. Huh. What happened there? Yeah, this is another one I've been just DCAing into. And then MicroStrategy is basically climbing up towards all-time highs. We were talking about this on the channel for a while, about how MicroStrategy would be basically a ETF in its own and would be pushing up into the all-time highs and have massive money flow because their Bitcoin balance sheet is absolutely exploding, which is going to naturally make the company explode, and just everything is just going to be kind of like a snowball effect. So there you go. We marked that and called that a while ago. So if you had been watching this channel and you were like, I'm gonna trust this guy, I think that sounds super bullish, then you would be up massively, because we talked about this like last year, months ago. Made a video on it, all that stuff. If I would have followed my own advice and put a bunch of options on on MicroStrategy, or just DCA'd into MicroStrategy, woo, be super bullish, super bullish. It just makes sense though. It makes sense. All right, so is Pepe going to be listed on Coinbase? Is Pepe going to be listed on Coinbase? Is this why we're seeing so much bullish momentum with Pepe? So yeah, we're really waiting for that leg up on bone. I think we could be seeing another candle move to right up to $1, and then we're gonna have to break right here, $1.20, and this is where I wanted to set a take profit at $1.20. But no, I wanted to do a partial. And yeah, because then I'm securing. I can even set it to take it when. Or no, yeah, I can take it. Yeah, 50%. Yeah, 50% of the trade. And the last time I set a stop loss, I felt like I really didn't even need to set one, because we haven't gone below any of these price points on the band, so I could have, you know, in my entries been at least secure on that, knowing that we would have some bullish momentum going up on bone. Music, as you can see right now, doing well. Small margin on it. And I'll tell you, just for transparency, we went into Polkadot and we got liquidated on Polkadot because we did not follow our rules. And so we lost a little bit of money. Nothing too crazy, but I think it just shows that if you don't follow your rules and you don't stick to your plan, then things like that can happen. But Polkadot's still bullish. You're just like trading or just, you know, buying Polkadot. It's pretty bullish. Yeah, but I'm really bullish on Doge right now. I'm really happy with the entry. I'm really happy with the entry that we got because it's right at critical support right here, right on the breakout, and we're in massive profit. We're actually about to test this previous resistance right here. Did we already test it? Yeah, we're real close to just testing this. I mean, we basically tested this wick like right here and right here, both of these levels. We crushed this level, then the next one, key obvious level 18 cents, and then, woo. We could be going to the moon. Dogecoin is already going to the moon. Literally, it's going to the moon. What other cryptocurrency is going to the moon? It's Doge, baby. It's Doge. And I think, what is it? CryptoFace. CryptoFace, if he says if it's got a dog or if it's got a frog. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. All right, guys. All right, so I don't think people are vibing the stream. Not enough likes. Only 3 likes. It is what it is. It is what it is. Is what it is. Come back in when you got more energy. All right. I will see you guys on the next one. Hope to see you in one of the next videos that I release or in the next live stream. What's going on, LMP? I see you. All right, so just as a reminder, take profits. Stick to your plan. But if your strategy and the things that you're doing aren't necessarily working and you're losing money, then maybe switch it up. And don't be afraid to switch it up a little bit and then try something different. All right. Bye-bye. See everyone on the next one. Peace out, Vicious Teletubby. And Nikki 94 Boo. A normal time that I come on. So I've been trying to figure that out. I've been trying to figure out what would be the best time to live stream where people can actually know when to come in, and so I need to figure that out. I would love to get a set time and have it be always that time. I don't know what time yet, or what day. That's another good one. I should probably do some research on what's the best crypto YouTube traffic day that people are, Oh, I'll definitely make an announcement or make a video, say, hey guys, I'm going live every time at this time on this day, so then it's kind of easier for you guys to follow, because I've kind of just been going live randomly. The market's been so bullish, so it's just been like, you know, like it's just been crazy. Like I just go live random, and I just hope that people come into the live stream. So there could be 4 people, there could be 15 people, you know, there could, who knows? I mean, it's all up to YouTube too. So, and when you smash the like, then YouTube says, okay, we'll put it out in front of more people. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for interacting in the chat, and I will have a set time for going live, so I don't just randomly pop up on your phone. And you're trying to pay attention to something, but you got an earbud listening to Daniel Crypto. All right, peace out, guys. Much love. Happy trading. Get some gains. I'll see you in the next one. I'll let you guys jam out.